DJT is currently in a massive short cover wave that is continuing to build momentum. And please do not get a short cover mistaken with a short squeeze. These are two totally different things, with a short squeeze resulting in short sellers being forced to return those shares at a asking price or higher. And as far as our short cover wave goes, it's pretty similar, but shorts having the ability to return those positions at a purchase price or lower due to them having more shares in the open market and they're not forced to buy the asking price. In this case, short cover waves do push the share price up, but not drastically like a short squeeze situation would. In DJT's case, this is causing a total swing cycle, and here in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you guys the DJT short cover wave as well as the swing cycle pattern to look out for. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to be revealing a ticker that is looking very bullish for this upcoming week, and I do see at least a 40% gain within the month of October. So stick around, we're going to talk about it. But before we do so, don't forget to get over to the live stream, which starts here in 43 hours, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you get over to the home page of the YouTube channel and hit that notify me button so you will be alerted once this live stream starts, which is Monday 9:30 a.m. Central Time. I will be giving you guys real-time stock alerts and showing you guys how I trade. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. Of course, first stock we're going to talk about here in today's video is DJT. With only 16 trading days left before the presidential election, we're seeing a lot of speculative buying rolling into DJT, which is also causing this thing to see an uptrend. And in the midst of all this speculative buying, we're seeing confident short sellers being caught on the wrong side of the fence consistently for about the last 2 weeks of trading. In fact, if you were a part of our Discord, then you too did catch my alert in real time on DJT. I first alerted this thing back on the 24th of September for the entry price of $12.40, with that price target being $16.50 plus. And if we take a brief look and check out price action here, as you guys can see on Friday's trading, seeing a high of those $27 levels. And I am here to tell you guys that this thing have more room to run thanks to the short cover wave and swing cycle that this thing is currently in. So basically what's been going on here these last 2 weeks of trading, in the beginning of these trading days, we would see massive outflow orders being placed on the block orders, which represents to hedge funds and or small institutions may be shorting this thing heavily. With that being said, towards the end of the day, thanks to the trading day price action, we're seeing those short positions just covering, or even worse, we're seeing these short positions swing over to the next day, and that next day price action is even putting more pressure on those short positions to see a likelihood of a forced short cover. And that's where the term forced short cover wave comes from. Here in DJT, the swing cycle that this thing is currently in, ladies and gentlemen, we have entered that pullback, and we do expect for this thing to, we may see a 2-day retracement here, but it is looking as though that this is going to be short-lived. This swing cycle, next leg up, should be around $31. DJT should see these levels early off next week. And if you're still holding this stock, I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Another thing that is fueling price action is the speculative buying. As you all know, the election is on November 5th, and if Donald Trump actually wins this election, the share price here in DJT can get out of hand pretty darn quickly. But we do expect for this thing to continue to gradually go up in price heading into that election again, thanks to these short cover waves that is taking place day in and day out, because shorts are aware that this election thing can go left or right. So right now it's a gamble on both sides, but currently, thanks to the speculative buying and these confident short positions that is actually being placed here, we're seeing these things forced covered, and it is also helping the share price move to the upside. With that being said, look for this thing to actually cross those $32 levels here this week with ease. Next stock we're going to talk about, and last but not least, like I told you guys in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be revealing a stock that you do not want to miss out on this upcoming week, and that is Affirm, ladies and gentlemen. Affirm is looking very, very bullish, if you ask me. I do feel as though that Affirm is headed towards those $70 levels by the end of this upcoming quarter. As you all know, the last quarterly report was fairly good. With that being said, we do see a economic turnaround here. So companies like Affirm, we do expect this upcoming earnings report to be even better. Not only that, we do see a massive number of holdings is currently profitable due to Friday's price action here in Affirm. That nice mid Bollinger bounce to the upside is very, very bullish, and I do feel as though that this thing is going to ride this upper for a few days towards those $52 levels here this week. So again, this is a play that you do not want to miss out on, and a short-term price target for Affirm in my book is $70. So with that being said, if you do agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and make sure you have all post notifications set to all so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos. And may the gains be with you.